Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we have a 20 volt, 8 amp hour lithium ion battery for Black & Decker tools that was sent to us by CEENR. So big thanks to them for sending this out. Now, as you can notice, it has some really nice packaging, very nice box that it comes in. This is everything that comes inside of the box. We have the operation manual, we have the warranty card, and this does actually have a 3-year warranty, so that is really nice. And then we have the battery itself. Now, right off the bat, this battery feels really good. The build quality is definitely durable. It feels really strong, really good. And as you can notice here, it has a couple different features. Here it says 8 amp hour, 20 volt max lithium ion. It fits the Black & Decker tools, works really nice. And we can notice here on the front, we do have a battery indicator. And then on the other side, if you hold the battery indicator button down, you also get an LED flashlight, which is super nice. Check out this LED flashlight in the dark. It's not super bright, but it's definitely useful if you needed it on a tool, or you can just use it by itself in case of an emergency. And just to show the difference between another aftermarket battery, this is a 6 amp hour battery. Here's the new CEENR 8 amp hour battery. Let me just look at the size difference. Huge size difference. Look at the top. This battery has no features on it. Doesn't have a battery indicator, no light or anything. So this one is obviously a much better battery. Plus it charges just fine using all of my Black & Decker chargers. Now we're going to take this battery outside, attach it to a couple different Black & Decker tools and see how it works. So here we have a Black & Decker edger and a Black & Decker blower. Let's try the edger first, see if this fits. It fits pretty snugly. You can see there's a bit of a gap around the side there, but it definitely does fit. Now let's see how it works. Now let's try the blower. It snaps right in place, nice and tight. Let's check it out. As you can see, it did a great job, edged and cleaned. So as for my final thoughts on a CEENR 20 volt, 8 amp hour battery for Black & Decker tools, I have to say this battery is amazing. Not only does it last much longer than the regular battery and even my other extended batteries, but it has this cool little light on the front to tell you how much battery you have left. And even after using this on my entire front yard with a weed eater and with a blower, and maybe like over a half an hour worth of time, we still have 2 bars left. So that's just crazy. 2 bars are still left on this thing. So this thing lasted really good. And not only did it last really good, but it actually gave the devices more power. So my weed eater, I mean, it was just like cutting down weeds. It was chopping, it was edging, it was doing everything so much better than it has done with any other battery that I have used. And as far as my blower, the blower even had more power because that blower generally doesn't have a lot of power. But this time I was actually able to use it to clean up the entire area, which I usually just don't do. I usually have to resort to a gas-powered blower to get that front yard cleaned up. So this CEENR battery right here, I highly recommend it. If you guys are looking for an extended aftermarket battery, I definitely recommend this one right here. And it does have a 3-year warranty, which is also very nice. So if you are interested in picking this up, I will have a link in the description where you'll be able to get it from. And if you would like to show your support, please be sure to use my links since anything you purchase does generate a small revenue for the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.